Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix issue where your laptop touchpad is not working in Windows 11 but external mouse is working fine. Let's solve this irritating problem. So as you can see guys, same problem I also facing. So when I'm trying to use my touchpad opening any file, the touchpad is not working. Same when I'm using my mouse, the mouse is working very perfectly fine. So let's get started one by one to this solution. So first you need to open the Windows settings. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, and in the right panel scroll down and find out touchpad and open it. Okay, make sure the touchpad toggle is turned on. If it's already turned on, try turning it off and back on again. Okay, so after doing this guys, you need to restart your PC one time. After restarting, enable the touchpad using the keyboard shortcut. Okay, most of laptop have a function key to disable or enable the touchpad. Look at your keyboard for a touchpad symbol, usually on F5, F6 or F7 or F9 the shortcut key is available. If the shortcut key is showing, hold function key from your keyboard and use the touchpad shortcut key to enable and disable it. Okay, so this is the very important setting. Now next, press Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard, so it will open the quick access settings on your PC. So from here you need to open the device manager. Okay, in the device manager, expand mic and other pointing devices. So as you can see guys, extend this, and from you need to select the Dell touchpad. I have Dell laptop, so that's why it is showing Dell touchpad. So if the touchpad is disabled, you need to enable it, or you need to update your touchpad driver. So just here you can get two options: select automatically for driver, browse my computer for driver. So just you need to try this both method one by one. Okay, so it was showing the best driver for your device are already installed. Once we will update the Windows PC, so it will also update our driver. Go to your Windows settings, go to Windows update, click on check for updates. So if the Windows update is available, just simply go ahead update your PC. So after updating, go to advanced option, and here go to optional updates, go to driver update. Is the Dell touchpad update driver is showing here, just simply need to select it and click on download and install. Okay, so this is also very powerful method. So if the problem was not solving, now you need to disconnect your external mouse from your keyboard, from your laptop. After doing this guys, now try to use your touchpad. It will definitely fix your problem. So still in case you are facing the same type of problem, so if you are using any third-party software tool on your PC to customize the touchpad, just need to remove it from your laptop. Okay, so as you can see guys, now my touchpad is working very perfectly fine. So in case the problem was still not solving in your laptop, restart your laptop and enter the BIOS setup by pressing F2 or delete or escape button. Okay, so depending on your brand, inside the BIOS, check for an optional code, internal pointing devices or touchpad, and make sure it is set to enable. Okay, so this process will take long time to do this. If you want a dedicated video on this topic, so please comment down below. I will make a dedicated video on this. And that's it. By following this step, your laptop touchpad should start working again in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.